Page 20, Caroling, Caroling, a really fun piece to sing if you're into singing. Let's look it over. It's about 2 half pages long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef now. There's one sharp in the key signature. We are in the key of G major. If you're doing scales, go ahead and do them for G major. And 6/8 time, which explains all the eighth notes. An eighth note gets a count. Right hand first, you're starting out, that first note the right hand has, that is 2 ledger lines below. You need to know that note. That's an A. Middle C is 1 ledger line. Just go down one more. A. And then measure 9. We're in this position now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So much for that. Measure 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So much for that. Measure 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't this fun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, yeah. Left hand, what's it got? Well, your fourth finger here, that puts the hand here. Don't forget the F sharp, it's in the key signature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. 3. The idea. Let's put the hands together and see what happens. So you're here and here. And you're not doing much, so go to the third measure. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now let's go over to measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 2. Now together, 13. Measure here, 2, and here, and then here. Don't forget the F sharp now. And here. Last line, measure 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6, and then here. And make sure you lift up for the rest now. The last 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's an A and a C. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Then once I put the hands together, then I'll go back over it slowly. Use a metronome if you need to, but get rid of all the hesitation. So it's a steady beat all the way through. After the hesitations are gone, then I think about the articulation, which they don't give any. You can follow the words for the phrasing if you want. Here. Lift up. Lift up. I'm lifting up for the sentences, like taking a breath. So in measure 9, it's here. Now lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. You get the idea of lifting up for the phrasing. And then the dynamics. That applies to the melody. Moderately loud, MF at the beginning, mezzo forte. Whatever you think sort of loud is. Now when you get to measure 13, the melody's in the right hand. This, soft. Thing in the last line, except now we're loud. We're loud. This is still soft. The melody in the last 2 measures, that's actually the melody, but if you can't bring that out very well, you kind of have to split. Here, here, and then here. Loud, loud. This loud, soft. Soft, loud. They're opposite of each other. Yeah, okay. That takes control, but it's important that you gain that control. So keep trying, even if it isn't coming. It might not come on this piece or the next or whatever, but by next Christmas you'll have it. Okay, then after all that, we do the speed. Merrily with a lilt. It's a happy song. So something like that. You don't have to take it at exactly that speed. And remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why the eighth notes are beamed 3 at a time. If they're beamed according to how you feel the music, in this case, don't have to be, but they are. And that's why it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We feel it that way. Once you can play this slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together and make sure you have the correct notes and rhythms. Not doing any louds and softs, although there isn't any. And you don't have to play most all of it right at moderately loud. I mean, you can get louder and softer. Just stay in that area. But for the play with me, I don't do any of that. I just play in the notes. In other words, I'm not going to bring out the melody. I'm just playing the notes. I'll give us 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready, go. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 5, 6. 1, 2. 3, 5, 6. 2, 2, 2, 5, 6. 2, 2, 2, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6. 6, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, rest. There's a duet for this. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. We really want to feel this in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, something like that. And for this to work, I almost forgot to mention, you need to go up the keyboard. But for this one, you need to go up farther than we've been going. Go up 2 C's. The middle C is here. Go up past that one, go all the way up to here, and pretend this is middle C. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. Because the duet part's in here, and they get in the way. Okay. I'll give 6 counts. Now on this, I put the metronome on the natural accents here. So it's beating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. You're doing that. That's how fast we're going to go. So I'm going to give us 4 of these counts to come in, or 2 full measures is what it is. 1, 2, ready, and go.